Hey Fit Fam, I'm going to show you a quick simple tutorial on a wall sit progression. Stay tuned. Step 1, and most important, you're going to find a wall. Without a wall, can't do any of this. Next, you're going to start slowly walking your feet out to a comfortable position. Step 3 is keep your back and butt against the wall. This is essential throughout the whole process. Step 4 is keep your feet and knees in line with your shoulders. Even when you're first starting out, that's very important. Next, you're going to gradually start walking your feet out more and more, getting deeper and deeper. Make sure your knees do not pass your toes. This helps protect your knees. Eventually, when you keep walking your feet out, you're going to form a 90-degree angle. Do not go lower than 90 degrees. After that, you're just hurting the movement. Throughout the whole movement, push with your heels and not your toes. Once again, this helps protect your knees. You also get more glute activation by pushing through your heels. Once you can master this for about a minute or 2 minutes, you can progress and add some weight. Option 1 is a dumbbell. As you can see, even with weight, keeping the same form throughout the whole movement. Option 2 is adding a plate instead of a dumbbell. And as you progress, you can add more and more plates. Slow progression is better than no progression. You're better start with 1 or 2 than jumping right to a lot and then hurting yourself and then trying to blame me for it. Remember, safety first. Now I know what you're thinking, yeah, you're a guy, of course you can do all these plates and stuff. Whoa, 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 stop right there. We're gonna have Chiquita add a plate also. Everybody get some love here, y'all. And now you're thinking, well, it's 1 plate. Hey, add some more plates, guys. You're gonna feel a burn when you start adding plates to this. You can feel a burn just by itself, but when you add more weight to it, you're gonna feel it even more. Now you're thinking, that's a lot of weight. She's a little girl. We'll add some more weight. Always pushing to the limits, guys. You have to have fun with this. Fifth Fam, as long as you're having fun, you're gonna enjoy it and stay dedicated with it. Let me know if you try this, how you feel after. Please like, share, and subscribe. And hey, love what you do. If you don't like it, why are you doing it?